Hey everyone, I'm Jula, and I'm here to show you how to apply lashes with the Velour Glue and Go pen. This beginner-friendly lash adhesive pen makes it easier than ever to apply false lashes. Our clear formula means no eyeliner skills are needed. You can apply lashes in seconds. Depending on the lashes you're using, you might have to measure and trim them. For tips on this, check out our video on how to apply plant fiber lashes. I'm going to quickly shake the pen, then apply it directly onto my natural lash line, from inner to outer corner, like you would with an eyeliner. This formula is quick drying, so we recommend doing it one eye at a time. Using your fingers or Velour 2 Easy Lash Applicator, apply the lash on top of the glue. Once it feels in place, you can adjust the inner and outer corners as necessary. Then, repeat the same steps on the other eye. And that's it! Wasn't that the easiest lash application ever?